Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. As you can see, I'm working on green beans today. We had honestly a bumper crop of green beans. I've canned beans, I put potatoes in beans, I put bacon in beans, I put onions in beans, I put kielbasa in beans, made shuck beans, and there's probably 2 or 3 more things that I've done that I just can't think of right now. Okay, I'm going to make 4 pints, guys, and this container right here is a 4-pint container. But for right now, I've got probably another pint or so of beans to go, and I'm going to cook them really fast today, guys. I'm going to put them in the Instant Pot, and I will show you how I do that. Okay. I have my measuring cup full. It's 4 pints. Okay. Now, I have a little cheat sheet. Let me grab it here. Guys, this is from my Instant Pot. This is just so neat. Okay, it says I cook green beans for 2 minutes. I just love these little things. They're in the description box below on my Amazon links. Okay, so I have my 1/2 cup water that calls for. I'm going to put them over here in the Instant Pot. Be sure that it's on sealing and not venting. Turn it on pressure cook. Turn it down to 2 minutes. And guys, we're cooking green beans. How much easier can you get than that? Okay, our Instant Pot cut off about a minute ago. So we're going to do a quick release on this. Folks, always be careful when you're messing with Instant Pots and pressure cookers or canners, because there's this little button back here. When that button is up, it is under pressure. Okay? And if you just take this lid off, you've got 2nd and 3rd degree burns. You do not ever do that. Plain and simple. If you get nothing else out of this video, do not ever take the lid off of anything under pressure until it drops. Okay, I'm going to show you the correct way to make the pressure drop quickly. Okay, I have a folded up dish towel. I'm going to put over top of this knob and over top of that little button that pops up. Okay, and I showed you that this is on sealing, so I'm going to move it over to where it says venting. Okay, that's reducing the pressure. Can you see that steam right there? I mean, that's hot burning me right there. But it's going to take probably a minute or 2 for that to fully drop. Okay, and after it drops, I'm going to take the lid off of it. Thanks for watching, folks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. And as always, we'll see you on that next video.